I'm Chelsea and I run Wholesome Junkies. And Wholesome Junkies is a unique street food, burger, vegan place here in Manchester.
It's super easy to get creative with different toppings, different salts, different sauces, adds a nice variety. It's low labour, low cost, but high impact. Our most popular dish on the menu, hands down, is our Thai fries. We have done thousands. I think it's super fun, it's creative, and also there's just so much variety for people to find with street food. I got into street food because I had an obsession with food and I wanted to start cooking and put my ideas out there, and it's the best low risk option, and you grow organically with the business.